This brand is a member of Nye Group and the units are available through dealers in the USA and Canada, but they only have an average guarantee when compared to other brands. All of the units have a stainless steel drain pan and coated air coils for durability, as well as microchannel aluminum coils that resist corrosion. They use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as R32. The Trilogy 45 series units are variable capacity units with an inverter compressor, variable speed fan and a variable speed loop circulation pump for added energy savings and an industry-leading 45 ER efficiency. They also feature advanced gate controls for system monitoring and diagnostics that are Wi-Fi enabled. They offer models with full-time domestic hot water production, QE, as well as units without VA. The Tranquility range offers premium single or two-stage units but do not have dedicated full-time domestic hot water generation. The Tranquility 20TS models are their most basic, low-priced units, but they still have a 21.9 ER efficiency with most of the features found on the premium models from other brands.